Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports, where we've acquired this absolutely stunning, very rare, it's a Jaguar R Sport 2.2 diesel black edition, which means everything's black that usually is chrome on them. It's in lovely condition, it's literally just arrived. It's got front park distance control, alloys in superb condition in gloss black. You can see it's in absolutely stunning condition. Rear privacy glass, rear park distance control, rear camera as well. Boot is in lovely condition with a parcel shelf. Inside the car, full black leather interior, leather sport seats at the front, Meridian hi-fi system, electric windows, electric mirrors, electric seats and memory seats. Just start the car up. Lovely condition. It's done 99,712 miles. It's got the navigation system on it, Bluetooth, 3-stage heated seats, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. DJ's for full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.